Good day. My name is Venrick Campos and today I will be presenting about bioenergy. 6 guide questions are given to us by our professor so that we may do further research on the topic at hand. So what are the benefits of waste to energy technologies? First is the decrease. It decreases the quantity of waste. Waste to energy plants can decrease the quantity of waste by 95% and reduce the solid quantity of the original waste by 80 to 85% depending on the components that were in the solid waste. Second is that tracking of waste long distances can be greatly reduced. With a waste energy facility in a community, shorter tracking distances result in less air pollution and less truck traffic. Large regional landfills are often located long distances from the communities using them. Third is the reduction of pollution. Research has shown that solid waste incinerators are less likely to pollute the environment than landfills. One particular study done during a 1994 lawsuit in the United States showed that a waste incinerator location was more environmental friendly compared to a landfill. Next is the efficient waste management. Incineration plays a vital role in making waste management easier and more efficient. Incineration can burn up to 90% of the total waste generated and sometimes even more. Next is the waste to energy facilities generates power. They generate power from waste that can be used to generate electricity or heat. And lastly, it could operate at any weather. So what are the disadvantages/challenges in operating a waste to energy plant? Well, first, it is expensive. Constructing the infrastructure to the cost of operating the waste to energy plants are very high. It requires trained personnel, devoted staff to maintain its operation. And also, it needs regular maintenance. Second is that it pollutes the environment. Incinerators produces smoke during the burning process. These gases are poisonous to the environment. And lastly, it damages the public health. Communities where incinerator plants are built, its long-term effects come in the form of health hazards, such as cancer, birth defects, and other health effects that are known to occur at very low exposures to many of the metals and pollutants released by the incineration facilities. So would you recommend this renewable energy resource/technology to your municipality? Yes, a small waste to energy plant should be sufficient for our municipality since we do not have a large population and only few industries here. But the plant should be stationed where no people are living so it does not affect the quality of life. So will the waste to energy plant solve the garbage problem in key cities? Yes. An example would be the city of Songdo in Korea and cities in Sweden. Songdo's population of roughly 70,000 will never see garbage trucks on its streets. Songdo uses an automated waste collection plant where its trash are sucked in using underground pipes. Once the garbage reaches the facility, the garbage is then automatically recycled and burned for energy. While in Sweden, garbage supplies much of the heat for Sweden's 10 million residents during the cold months. In addition to supplying heat and electricity, they produce methane biogas from food and organic waste that run city buses, taxis, and private cars. So is it feasible in areas without regular waste stream? And why? Yes, it is feasible. If we would look at the country Sweden, I have researched that the capacity of their plants is approximately 21% larger than the supply of residual waste generated by this country. Hence, the need to import garbage waste from around the world is the key in order for their waste to energy plants to be utilized at its fullest capacity. And for the last question, please/state the important facts from your research and cite other references such as websites. use. Um, First is that waste to energy can provide power no matter the time or weather of the day. Not all waste to energy projects are clean and green. Waste to energy projects can reduce use of landfills. Waste to energy projects have multiple revenue streams. And lastly, waste to energy facilities are net greenhouse gas reducers. So here is my references. These are the sites that I have used for my research. So before I end this video, I would like to thank our professor for the materials he uploaded, which helped me obtain the foundation on my knowledge about bioenergy and waste-to-energy plants. It also helped me realize on my research that waste-to-energy plants has a really big impact on reducing the amount of waste being placed on landfills, which also acts as a great alternative energy since it could run at any type of day or weather condition. Waste to energy is a reasonable short-term solution, for it produces pollution and toxins left behind from burning garbage. However, it is less carbon-intensive than coal, and it uses resources more efficiently than simply putting them in landfill where they would decompose and release greenhouse gases anyway. That's it. Thank you for listening and have a great day.